Today, we will learn how to add audio track on Canva. These may be your voice or might be a music track to use in videos. First of all, go to Uploads. There you can see 3 different tabs. First one is Images, second is Videos, and third one is Audio. On the top, you can see 2 options, Upload Video, and you can record yourself. Go to Uploads and find your track. Here are different tracks. Let me open one of them. Just click on it. Here you can see the name of track. Click on Open. Here you can see the track is uploading. To add the track on design, just click on it. You can see a new layer have added in the bottom. To use this track in future, just go to Uploads and then go to Audio. There are your audios. Let's play it.